new acquired toy, 1968 International, 3-speed on the tree, 4x4 in the floor. Setting on 38s, original motor, 345, 5-inch round, 4-foot tall stacks with a keg for the gas tank. She's ready to bog. You guys see that? 4x4. Not your standard 2-wheel drive. Good body. No rust. Pop the hood, let you see the motor. Look at that front end. Yeah. Good windshield. All good up and down the passenger side of the truck. No problems. Get the hood open here. Got a 345 original motor in it. She's a little dirty. Got some bird shit all over it from setting for the last 2 years. But put another radiator in it and a fuel line. And yeah, valve covers. Gonna do those here in a little bit. She should be ready to go. Let's fire her up. I'll let you hear what she sounds like. Uh-oh, she died. Gotta let her warm up. She may be out of gas too. Yeah, I think I done flooded it. Let's see. Yep, she's flooded. That's on the inside. So you guys can see she's somewhat original. I got all the chrome pieces to it. Of course the doors are all gone. But 4x4 on the floor. Pull out the old chokey dokey here. And just push the switch. I wouldn't have flooded her, she'd have came right alive. But yeah, there you have it. Show you the door right there. You got the little windows, yeah. Good windshield. So, yeah, she's a beast. Thanks for watching.